The one who answers prayer. The one. The one. You know we can sing this song for 2 hours. The one who answers prayer. The one who answers prayer. The one who answers prayer. Say, I love your name. I love your name. Hey, thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name. I love your name. I love your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name. I love your name. I love your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name. I love your name. I love your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name. As you worship, there will be mighty wonders. Tonight is not a night to pray about anything. There are wonders happening as I speak now. There are things checking out of people's body as I speak now. I said there are things happening now. The Lord says I want to show wonders like I've never done before. Elusa, bring the cutter. I bring the word of the Lord to you. You may not see wind, you may not see rain, but the valley shall be filled. 2 Kings 3:16. That's the word I bring to you. God says I should tell you, you may not see signs, you may not see movement, you may not see things working, but water shall be turned to wine. Alaso Bremadika Pala. As we worship tonight, things are happening, things are shifting, things are changing. Say, I love your name. I love your name. Thy kingdom come. The one who answers prayer is your name. I love your name. I love your name. Thy kingdom come. This is your song as you go home tonight. shop already. Huh. 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 As the Spirit of the waters, Kena mama ya demo, Yesi ya lokama, Hali ya notelo, Hiki ya lumase, He said in a moment, Hobi ya litelo, Hiki ya lokama. Now the Lord wants to begin to anoint waters. Territorial, national, waters in community, and families, a floodgate of the prophetic. Let it be open upon you. Elohim Adonai, Elohim Adonai, Elohim Adonai, Elohim Adonai, Elohim Adonai, Elohim Adonai. In 2 minutes, begin to climb, begin to climb. Help me now, I want to fly, help me now. Hold him, as there we are carried by the Spirit. Sounds of Salem. Kaya. Usi Adama Melo. Something nation is a hero. Haseni Adama Mo. Hasikiri la bandera. Put your hands on your belly. This last prayer before I leave. God's prophet said I should come and bless you. We don't bless from the head, we bless from the river. One thing Jesus gave me was a scepter in the prophetic. Something ancient. Lagos is not ready for this river. Abuja is not ready for this river. South Africa is not ready for this river. They are not ready for this river. I say you are coming with the river. You are coming with the river. You are coming with the river. Now, forgive me because after this, some of you may not be able to sleep well for the next 3 days. But I want to make a prayer. Put your hand on your belly. There are 70 of you that are watchers. Okay. So I shall help them now. Father, you who mark mankind by spirit, bring upon them. Open the fountain of inspiration. Open light upon them, and by light may they see. Extend the covering of light upon them, and let nothing escape their light. It has begun. Just help them, it has begun. Just help them, it has begun. People are waiting tonight. You can see their faces, they are praying tonight. What kind of dream can turn this world around? 17 hours, nothing tonight.